Hello, welcome to the cue card series. Today we'll discuss a very interesting cue card, and the topic is describe a special meal that someone made for you. You should say who did it, when and how she cooked, what and why he or she cooked for you, and explain how you felt about the meal. You can start, every meal my mother makes for me is special. However, today I want to share about a memorable meal that was made for me. My grandmother, whom I lovingly call Nani, made this special meal for me. It was during my last summer vacation when I stayed with my grandparents. Nani woke up early in the morning and spent hours preparing the meal in the kitchen with love and care. Nani cooked my favorite dish, which is sarson da saag with makki di roti. I wanna say this is also my favorite. She made it because she knows how much I love traditional Punjabi food, and she wanted to treat me with something special. I felt incredibly grateful and loved when I saw the delicious meal Nani had prepared for me. The aroma of freshly cooked saag and the warmth of the roti made me feel at home and cherished. It wasn't just a meal. It was a gesture of love and care that made me appreciate the bond I share with my grandmother even more. Nani's sarson da saag with makki di roti was not just a dish but a symbol of our Punjabi heritage and family traditions. The meal was served with homemade white butter and jaggery, enhancing the taste and making it a wholesome and satisfying experience. Nani also shared stories and laughter during the meal, creating cherished memories that I will always treasure. This special meal reminded me of the love, warmth, and nurturing nature of my grandmother, who always expresses her affection through her culinary skills. It was more than just food. It was a heartwarming gesture that made me feel blessed and grateful for such loving moments with my family. Now, let's move on to the next section, that is follow-up questions. Let's start. Question number 1. Should students learn to cook at school? You can answer, yes, it's beneficial for students to learn basic cooking skills at school as it promotes self-sufficiency, healthy eating habits, and an appreciation for food preparation. Question number 2. Do you think people's eating habits would change as they get older? Yes, people's eating habits often change as they get older due to factors like health considerations, cultural influence, and lifestyle choices. Question number 3. Do people in your country like to learn to cook from TV programs? Yes, many people in my country enjoy learning to cook from TV program as they provide easy to follow recipes, cooking tips, and inspiration for trying new dishes. What kind of fast food are popular in India? Some popular fast foods in India include samosas, chaat, street snacks, vada pav, dosa, and various types of fried snacks served with chutneys. Question number 5. Are there any people who wouldn't eat meat for their whole life? Yes, there are people in India who choose not to eat meat for their entire lives due to religious beliefs, personal preferences, or health reasons. Last question, question number 6. What do you think about vegetarians? I respect vegetarians for their dietary choices as it can promote environmental sustainability, animal welfare, and personal health benefits. It's important to accommodate and appreciate different dietary preferences and lifestyles. This is the end of cue card.